I found the cheapest way to invest in Singapore stocks because in today's video, I will compare a few brokers which are offering trading and investing services in Singapore, and you can use the most cost-effective trading platform to buy your Singapore stocks. So the whole comparison is very simple. I will only compare on the price. I will not compare to the customer service or user experience because I think most people only look at the price, right? And for today's example, I will use the order size of $3,200 because with $3,200, maybe you could buy 100 units of DBS, and that's on the low side, I know. Or you could buy 1,000 units of STI ETF. And the thing about Singapore equities is that you cannot really buy fractional shares on the open market. So there's a minimum lot size of 1 unit for ETF and 100 units for individual stocks. And for easy comparison, I will only talk about the commission plus the platform fees because there are some regulatory fees or SGX fees that are compulsory for any kind of trading platform, which adds up to around 0.04%. excluding GSTs, and also help you find the break-even point because there are minimum commission and charges and all this stuff. So the first platform will be Interactive Brokers Singapore. Okay, this is not Interactive Brokers LLC because Interactive Brokers Singapore, short form IBSG, do offer you the market to trade Singapore stocks. Based on the pricing, it is minimum $2.50 commission or 0.08%, whichever is higher. So the break-even point is very simple. We will just take $2.50 divide by 0.08%, and that will be $3,125, which means any order value that is above $3,125, you would take 0.08%. And if the order value is less than $3,125, you will then take the minimum commission, which is $2.50. So with our example, which is $3,200, it will be above the break-even point. So that will be 3,200 multiplied by 0.08%. But remember to add in the regulatory fees, which is 0.0432%. That will come up to a total commission plus fees of $3.94 SGD. So we will be using this format to calculate for the rest of the trading platforms available in Singapore market. But before that, if you want to know of the latest deals of the various trading platforms, then do join us at Honey Money SG Telegram group because I'll post about the best deals that you can sign up and get those nice sign up bonuses. Join us at Honey Money SG. Now, second trading platform of today is moomoo Singapore. So if you look at the total commission and platform fees, we are looking at 0.06% or minimum $1.98. Break-even point, we will just take $1.98 divided by 0.06%, and that will be $3,300, which means any order size below $3,300, you will use the minimum commission of $1.98, which happens to be our example because our order size is only $3,200, right? So our total fees will be $1.98 plus $3,200 multiplied by the regulatory fees, which is 0.0432%, which comes up to $3.36 SGD, which is far cheaper than Interactive Brokers Singapore, right? Because of the lower minimum commission. And therefore, if you want to use moomoo Singapore to trade Singapore equities, then do use their offer today. moomoo Singapore sign-up promotion is finally back because now they are back with 3 deposit tiers. For the first tier, you have to deposit $100 and you can get $2 cashback for a total of 10 days. So that is a total of $20 cashback. For the second tier, you have to deposit $2,000 with 2 buy trades, so you can get 1 Coca-Cola stock worth around 80 Singapore dollars. And for the final tier, you have to deposit 10,000 Singapore dollars and make 7 buy trades, and that would give you $108 of cash coupon. So you see your rewards will differ depending on how much amount you deposited over the period. And that is a total of $208 if you fulfill all the conditions and do not withdraw your cash deposits for the stated period for each tier. Now, moomoo SG is also one of the most competitive trading platforms out there, offering you US, Hong Kong and Singapore stocks, options, dividend stocks, funds like moomoo Cash Plus, ETFs, and even their latest feature, which is foreign exchange trading if you are that experienced enough. So sign up with my link down below or scan the QR code right here to get your moomoo SG account today. Alright, next up is Tiger Brokers Singapore, and if you look at their pricing table, they do charge a minimum commission of 0.06% combined. That is the commission plus the platform fee, but they have a minimum commission of $1.99 in total. So the break-even point will be $1.99 divided by 0.06%, which comes up to $3,316. And with our order size being less than $3,316, we will have to take the minimum commission at $1.99. Therefore, total commission and fees will be $1.99 plus 3,200 multiplied by 0.0432, which will come up to a total of $3.37, just 1 cent above moomoo Singapore. So it's not too big of a difference. Therefore, I would say that if you want to compare moomoo versus Tiger, there is not much of a difference. It just depends on which platform are you more accustomed to. Next platform will be Usmart Securities, which is the dolphin mascot. So total commission plus platform fees will be 0.06%, but notice their minimum commission is at $2.88. Therefore, the break-even price will be $2.88 divided by 0.06%, which gives you $4,800. With our order size being 3,200, which is less than 4,800, then we will have to take the minimum commission. Therefore, the total trading fees will be $2.88 at 3,200 multiplied by 0.0432%, which gives a total of $4.26. That is much higher than moomoo and Tiger. Next up, let's look at SafeTrade. So SafeTrade has this pricing of 0.06% commission plus platform fee and a minimum of $1.98. So this is actually similar to moomoo Singapore's pricing. And if we take the break-even point, that will be $1.98 divided by 0.06%, which is $3,300, exactly the same as moomoo. So the total fees will be the same if you do the same calculation, which is $3.36. So now this is the current ranking, right? SafeTrade and moomoo at $3.36, then Tiger $3.37, then followed by the rest. But anyway, if you do not have a SafeTrade account yet, then you can just use my referral code to get $70 when you deposit at least 2,000 Singapore dollars as a new user. And the final contender on the list is Poems Cash Plus, which offers zero minimum commission at a rate of 0.08%. So you see, 0.08% sounds a bit higher than moomoo or Safe, but you realize it's zero minimum commission, which means there is no like minimum $2, $1.98, this kind of thing. Therefore, there is also no break even because there is no minimum, right? You can just trade as little as 100 units and then get the minimum commission charge, maybe in a few cents only. So it's really good for those smaller size orders. But if we are talking about our example, which is $3,200, we just have to take 0.08% at 0.0432%, and this total multiplied by $3,200, which gives $3.96 Singapore dollars. So that is the same as Interactive Brokers Singapore. But you have to remember, Poems Cash Plus do charge a dividend handling fee. So if you are buying dividend stocks, you are subjected to this fee of 1% on the net dividends and minimum $1. Therefore, if you are buying dividend stocks, then maybe Poems Cash Plus is not the best place for you to buy that because of that 1% net dividend handling fee. But other than investing using cash on Poems Cash Plus, you could also invest using your CPF OA and your SRS. And here is where Poems Cash Plus may really shine, as I go through the best platforms to invest your CPF OA right here in this video.